In this tutorial, I'll show you how to protect your VPN portal from automated attacks. Whether you're using Global Protect, FortiGate, SSL-VPN, or any remote access solution, you'll learn how to stop bots that attempt thousands of logins daily. I'll demonstrate how these attacks cause user lockouts and overwhelm help desks, then show you exactly how to block them. Let's start by looking at a real example of what these attacks look like. Here's how to identify brute force attacks in your Palo Alto firewall logs. Look for patterns like these multiple IP address attempting various usernames. You'll notice IP from different ranges, like 95.164, 191.102, and 186.179. This screenshot shows how attackers probe for valid usernames, which can trigger your account lockout policies. In this example, these attempts resulted in 47 lockouts before noon. Let me show you how to spot and prevent this in your environment. Think two-factor authentication keeps you safe? Here's the truth. 2FA stops breaches, not attacks. Bots still flood your login system thousands of times per hour, locking out real users as they try valid logins. Every wave drives CPU usage up, slows traffic, and can bring your VPN to its knees. We tested everything. Stricter lockouts made it worse, rate limits barely helped, and geo-blocking wasn't an option for our global team. The result? Daily lockouts frustrated users and degraded firewall performance during peak hours. Now, the cost, 47 lockouts in one morning, mean 12 hours lost just to resets. At $75 an hour, that's $900 a day, $20,000 a month, nearly $250,000 a year. Add overtime, help desk burnout, and execs missing meetings. This isn't an IT issue. It's a business crisis. So we tried manual IP blocking. Here's our address object list, hundreds of IP we blocked manually. But watch what happens. Block this US IP at 91.164, another appears at 91.165. Block that Chinese range, they switch to Brazil, then switch back to US IP. We spent 2 hours every morning adding IP and the attacks never stopped. It's like playing whack-a-mole with criminals who have unlimited IP. They rotate through millions of addresses across hundreds of countries. Manual blocking is futile. We needed something that updates automatically. Here's the solution that actually works. External dynamic lists. This feature is built into most enterprise firewalls. Instead of manually adding IPs, your firewall pulls a list automatically from a URL. Look at our configuration. We're pointing to a URL that returns a list of known VPN attackers. The firewall fetches this every 5 minutes, adding new block automatically. No manual work, no chasing IPs, no maintenance. It's like having a security team that never sleeps, constantly updating your defenses. The key is having a list that's current, accurate, and focused on VPN attacks specifically. Let me show you how to confirm the solution is working. Your logs should display clean traffic patterns like these, authorized devices successfully authenticating without failed attempts from suspicious IPs. Key indicators of success include elimination of lockout incidents, dramatic reduction in support tickets, and no need for manual IP management. The external list automatically blocks malicious traffic while allowing legitimate connections. This demonstration shows the typical improvements you can achieve. You can implement this solution in 5 minutes. Configure your external dynamic list, create the deny policy, and enable automatic updates. Whether you're using Palo Alto, FortiGate, pfSense, or another platform, the concept remains the same. To get started with the 2 million IP block list shown in this demonstration, visit ThreatListPro.com. You'll receive instant access to your block list URL, complete setup guides, and 14 days to verify it eliminates your lockout problems. Stop managing attacks manually. Visit ThreatListPro.com now.